What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Rudy Having Fun. I'm Rudy, and today's adventure brings me to the 16th floor of the Hilton Universal in Studio City. And I am getting ready to go down and meet a friend at Universal Studios. This is my view from the room. Got a little portion of the park there with the Minion and the parking garage, and the lower lot of the park with the Transformers over there. You could see a little bit of Super Nintendo World, and then the rest of the back lot down there. We got the Highway 101 here and the usual traffic. And here's the rest of the room. We got the king-size bed, the sofa, the desk here. Figured I'd show you around the room since I'm here. I didn't do a full hotel review, but the Hilton's nice in general. But there you go. That's the room. I believe this room in particular was a little bit pricey. Cheapest I could find was $249 a night, $30 a night for parking. So I mean, you can't get any closer to the park though. It's like a 5-minute walk. So anyways, I'm about to go down, meet my buddy. I'll introduce you to him in a second. I think you might, if you've seen any of my other videos, you might know who he is. And let's get right after it. You ready to have some fun? Yeah, let's have some fun. Looks like they've taken the construction walls down around the fountain here. And not only that, look who's standing right here. The man, the myth, the legend. It's Adam.
Yeah.
Say hi, Adam.
Hi.
So one thing's for sure when you go to a theme park with Adam, he's all about the rides, so you gotta keep up. Having said that, I didn't even have time to get the camera out before we got on the Simpsons ride, so we're just leaving the Simpsons ride. And I do have to say that I was on the record in a previous video saying that the Simpsons ride is trash. I would like to retract that. It's not complete trash. The theming is great, and the ride's fun enough. I just really liked Back to the Future. That's my opinion. Adam, what do you think about this ride compared to Back to the Future? Do you remember Back to the Future?
I would say that Back to the Future was a better ride. It was,
okay, thank you.
well, it was more realistic. The ride itself was, I think, significantly better than Simpsons. However, I think The Simpsons has a funnier pre-show than than Back to the Future.
Yeah, definitely.
The ride itself is better.
100%. Good. I'm glad we can agree. So there you have it. All right, the plans: Mummy, Transformers, Jurassic World. Look at this guy. He is all about the rides. Very serious business here. We just hit Mummy, Transformers, and now we're going on Jurassic World. Adam. Uh-oh. Hopefully there's no raptors loose. Adam, what did you say? You're scared of this ride?
The only thing scary about the ride is how wet you're gonna.
Oh, okay.
Are you guys doing good?
Yeah. He's scared.
Oh man, that thing almost got you.
The island and Isla du Blanc. That's your forecast for today. Now here's a look at what's going on in your neck of the lot.
We must be talking about where we are now. We call this Old Mexico. It says flash flood warning. Now Rudy just playing.
I see this in the weather.
You know what? This is not enough rain
I
to
didn't
cause
see
a
this
flash
in the
flood.
weather.
It's only raining on half of the trim. I think our
I thought you said it was supposed to be 77 today, and then we started reading about any rain.
And you hear some deep rumbling. That means there is a flash flood in the area. We should probably get going now, Natalia. Okay, good playing now. Just have thumbs up with the break. Good playing. You scare people. That's not funny. Natalia just playing.
Uh-oh. Oh,
That
no.
water looks wet.
What's that?
You guys with third and fourth car, don't worry about it unless you're sitting in a blue seat.
Oh, no. My seat's blue.
Whoa!
Oh, my God.
You're probably wondering how we did that. Well, we have water tanks at the top of the hill. We open those tanks. Water passes down the hill, lands in the reservoir, then it gets pumped right back to the tanks at the top. You know what? They train with live sharks. Oh, yes. Have your cameras ready. There's the shark. That's big. Got these big bubbles on it. Well, there's our police number. And I'm not sure what goes into training for handling sharks, but they've done something over there. I didn't think there's actually supposed to touch the shark. But I can't forget it for you. I understand they attach the wrong person at yellow barrel in case a shark gets out of control. I think now would be that time. Let's hope that flammable liquid doesn't ignite like that. Woo, that's hot. That's after hot. Why is that kind of hot? Want to see it again? We should go because that's hot. What's that? Oh my God. I've heard that before. And you wanted a window seat. You come face to face with Bruce, the mechanical shark, inspired by Bruce, the mechanical shark in the movie Jaws. We had a lot of problems with the shark in the movie.
Worried about that.
So much so, they started calling the movie Flaws. His Academy Award-winning director Steven Spielberg.
Am I in the water with it?
That's a much maligned shark. The shark was frustrating. It didn't really work all the time. It didn't work hardly at all.
Wherever it swim backwards before, look.
Hear the radio waves. They were always saying,
You ever seen a shark swim backwards?
a shark.
I just resetting the shark.
Oh.
The shark
Mechanical.
well enough for a while there. It was the whole time. So I did
Next up, stage 57 animal actors.
Yeah.
Said COVID messes this show up. How come?
Oh. You'll get to see.
Uh-oh. Do the birds wear masks? Does the dogs have to wear masks?
No.
What?
Order 4-37 is now ready.
I guess you'll get to see.
Oh, he doesn't want to ruin the surprise. All right. Like it's a packed house on COVID standards. They got us up here in the nosebleeds, and let's see. And they basically had to spread everybody out, sitting on these little blue things. And Adam was saying, this is the next best thing to what?
What? To Secret Life of Pets, and Secret Life of Pets is temporarily broken down.
That's right. So this is the poor man's Secret Life of Pets here.
Harry Potter movies. They've also been featured in episodes of Bones, CSI, and most recently, they filmed a Geico commercial. While these birds are not endangered, many of your native species are. So we here at Universal ask you to do your part to ensure that beautiful, majestic creatures, just like these two, may never become endangered. How about a big round of applause for Iris and Olympus?
Who? Who?
Iris and Olympus.
Get it? Who?
This is Sweet Pea.
Because it's an owl? Yeah. We're able to get a virtual pass for Secret Life of Pets. They finally opened it up after it being down almost the whole day. So we're gonna go check that out now.
My name is Gidget, and this here is...
Nobody, do not learn my name. We will not be friends.
She's kidding.
Nope.
Come on, Chloe. We can't just ignore them. They probably... Oh, a fly. That's got my focus. Hey, fly. Do you need any help? Hey, little dude. I'm here for you. Where you going?
That's like totally a dog and a cat right there, right?
Well, it looks like that's your cue to leave. Anyway, I'd say it's been great, but you know.
You know what I've noticed too? Is the last 2 times I've been on this ride, the first time they didn't show my puppy. You know how they show you like you're a puppy? The first time it didn't show my puppy, but the next 2 times it showed the same puppy. Yeah. Now, if it does it this time, I think that's a thing. Have you noticed that?
I mean, I've been different puppies different times right in there.
Thank you.
Okay,
Enjoy
so
your day here at Universal Studios.
So it's kind of randomized.
I guess that ruins my theory, but that's kind of interesting that both times I went on I was the same puppy.
Now I know it looks like a typical little kid's room, but that's
All right, I'm calling it right now. Brown beagle, long droopy ears.
We'll see.
Brown puppy. I'm calling it right now. Brown puppy. For me. Here we go. Moment of truth. Oh, I'm a poodle. I look like Enzo. I look like my dog in that one. So something kind of cool happened to us on the way out of the park. We had jumped in Minion Mayhem to ride that ride right at closing, and as we were leaving that ride, it was like 6:40, and we're passing by Secret Life of Pets, and what happened, Adam?
The ride was open.
Open. It was open
after the park
after closing. So we got a bonus Secret Life of Pets. Maybe they were making up for being closed all day, but anyways, that was kind of a cool little treat. All right, that's gonna do it for today, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.